What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be debadging all of the chrome and replacing them with matte black letters. We already started off with this and we think this is going to be the best method. We used a credit card to make the lines and put the letters, that way we can place it right. We're also going to be removing this chrome strip right here.
Yeah, we thought about either wrapping it in white or black vinyl, but I think we're just going to remove it for now. If later we decide to wrap it, we'll wrap it.
And we're also going to be changing both Duramaxes with matte black letters too.
Got a spew on the back.
And the Sierra right here, I think we're just going to leave off the Sierra, but keep the Denali. Change the Denali to matte black though, just not keep Sierra. And in the future, we might do something with GMC, just not in this video.
Alright.
And we have a package that came in the mail.
Big package too.
So stay tuned and watch the video to see what this is. That is awesome. So I think we should get to work and show you guys what the truck's gonna look like.
Alright, let's get after it.
Alright, for the first step, we're going to use fishing string to debadge the letters. We're going to put it in two and saw in between. And after we get them all done, we're going to put the black ones on, and we're going to know exactly where they go because we have it labeled and marked.
Yeah, I think that's going to be our best way to do it. I'm not 100% sure. That way we'll get all these off at one time, prep it and clean it real good, then stick the new ones on. But we'll do one section at a time instead of removing all the badging. So let's get that started. You got your string cut. Let's see how it works out.
All right.
I'm gonna pull out a little bit. It leaves a lot of glue.
Alright, so we found that a heat gun works better. Just apply heat to it and still use the string.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of heat, not a lot. And then once I get it a little warm, then you get the string behind it and that should help you saw it. It don't take much. There you go. And it helps a lot. Look how much easier. There you go.
That works much better.
Yeah, because that E was real hard to get off. And then he got halfway and then we used the heat gun and it just came off super easy. So this should speed it up a lot. I got it on the lowest setting. There you go. There you go. Alright, we got all the letters off, but the hard part is getting all the glue off too. And you got like an eraser wheel that we're trying to do. But we try not to tear up our tape because we don't want to lose our marks where it needs to go. And so we're going to try to get it off best we can and then go back with some alcohol or something to clean it up before we put the new stickers on. Let me try to get some more of this off. Alright, we got all the glue off, and during that process I tore the top tape off, which not a big deal, probably didn't need it anyway because we got it all marked perfectly here. But I was noticing this two-sided stick, and it lines up perfectly. I cut off the H and the D, but this lines up identical to here, so I cut the HD off, and then I'll space it more, and that lines up perfectly. So I think I'll just peel the back plastic off, and the front keeps it stuck spaced perfectly, and that way I'm not trying to line it up and get the letters crooked. And I'll just stick it all on at one time, and that'll be it. And then go back and peel the top layer off. It may be a disaster, I don't know, but let's give it a shot, because that's going to save a ton of time if I can even peel this off. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let me line it up over here. Okay, it all looks good. Alright, so now I'm going to slowly peel this off. Probably not the professional way to do it, but it's good for amateurs. That looks good. Now we need to do the H and the D. Get this perfect. I do like chrome. The older I'm getting, the more I like chrome, but we want to go with the black look on this truck because it's white. Our rims are going to be black with some white in it.
Alright, so we got all the chrome badging off in the back of the truck. While my dad's putting the new badging on, I'll be cleaning off the old chrome Sierra badging.
The glue from that, we found the best way is to use alcohol to get it off. Once you get it, use this, a little eraser that gets 90% of it, then use the alcohol to get the rest. And this word Denali is way bigger than the Denali that was here, so I couldn't mark it. And also it looks like it's not perfectly straight, so I'm not going to be able to do my little lazy trick of just sticking it all in one word. So I'm going to have to figure something out, maybe put a strip of blue tape and then put each letter. I don't know, I'm going to figure it out. I got to make it look perfect. Alright, get to work on that.
Alright. Alright guys, we got all the debadging done. It looks great in my opinion, and it took longer than we thought. As you can see, it's already dark outside, but we got the Denali HD in black. Looks so good.
I love it.
And we also got the chrome strip off. Let us know in the comments if you think it's better with or without. And the Duramax up here, what I like about it is how it has the red in here. That makes it look so much better.
Yeah, it pops with that red in it.
So moving to the back of the truck, we got the Sierra off and the Denali in black. The Denali before was much smaller and this one is larger, which I really like that.
Yeah, it helps it being larger since we got rid of the Sierra down here, which I don't think you need the word Sierra when it's a GMC, everybody knows.
And last, the other Denali HD. In my opinion, all of these look great. And if you're thinking about debadging, we'll have the link in the description. That way you know if they are good or not.
That way you know you're getting a good quality badging too. Oh, and don't forget the eraser wheel.
Yes.
That's a must-have if you're going to do debadging to get all that glue off.
We'll have this link in the description also.
Yeah, this is a really good one. Bought her on Amazon, so we'll put that link in the description. That way you know you're getting a good one as well.
Yeah.
So what's next?
Alright, the package that came in.
So let's open it up and see what's in it.
Alright.
Alright, let's open the box and see what we got. Everything's taken weeks and weeks to come in now. Everything is back ordered. So we've been wanting this for a long time. And it's our side steps. We're getting rid of the old Denali chrome ones. And these are drop down because we're going to have the lift kit. So let's take it apart. We haven't seen them yet. All we saw was the pictures. So let's see what it looks like in person.
Alright, so we got the side steps out of the box. I think they look great. We needed something to drop down since we're going to be having a 6.5-inch lift. And we want it matte black, not a shiny black. That way it'll match the badging on the truck.
Yeah. The only thing I don't like is they put a nameplate on it. Steelcraft. But they're not really paying us, so I don't see no reason to have their name on it. And it's riveted, so we're going to have to drill that out to get it out, but we can do that another day. And also like how this is filled in with black metal, so we got more black to go against the white truck. A lot of them we saw, this was left open, and I didn't like that too much. Looks really good quality. So
alright, so let's start by putting taking the passenger one off, and then just put them both on. So let's get started.
Alright.
Alright, so we got the old side step off, and now we're putting the new one on. But the new one's much harder because of the DEF tank. It would be easier, but my dad won't read instructions. But we're getting there. We're gonna put on some time lapse and show you the progress.
This is it. Double checking the last bolts. So that's all it is to it. It's basically 8 bolts, 4 along the pinch welds, and at the top of the hanger it's 4 up here. Other side it's only 3 up here because of the DEF tank. So real easy to do, swap them out. It helps to have somebody to help you kind of hold it up and then work from the middle out, but don't bolt them tight. Just kind of put them loose on the pinch welds and then come up here and do these. So let's see how it looks. This looks great. Huge improvement. Those chrome ones that come with the Denali package are junk in my opinion. They're lightweight, flimsy, and they don't look good. These look awesome. Still got to get this off. So all we have is one because the other one on this side tore off during the wreck. So we have one that we'll probably sell. If you want it, we'll probably sell it super cheap. And we have all our old badging. All of these, if anybody needs that. If you're an old subscriber, we might cut you a really super good deal. I don't know how much this stuff costs, but I'm sure somebody could use it. I like how the chrome strip is off. The whole side is clean. Looks really good. It's gonna look good with the lift kit. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We did a lot of work. Started at 3 and it's after 10 now, I think. So we put a good 7 hours in. Really like the black badging. I love the side steps. It really makes the truck look a lot better, especially on a white truck. So lift kit should be in 2 more weeks. As soon as it comes in, we'll order the rims and tires. There's no back order on rims right now that I know of. So we got a lot of little mods that we're going to keep doing. And if you got any suggestions on what we should do next, let us know. And we will see you next time.